Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your boy Andre. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. So where am I going with this? The hiatus is officially over and I'm doing a complete overhaul of the channel. So if you want to find out where this goes, stick around for more after this. Alright, so welcome back, guys. This is the Chat Patois channel where we teach the language of Jamaica, and now we will be trying to do our part in preserving the Jamaican culture. But before we move forward, I want to do something in all my videos from here on out. I want to feature everybody that's out there doing their part to further the movement of the Jamaican culture. For example, this t-shirt that I'm wearing is from Urban Rastaman. My very good friends at Urban Rastaman. Check them out on Instagram. Their store information is in their bio. And make sure you go out there and show them your full support. Alright, so thank you guys for sticking around with me and if you've been following me from the beginning. But now we're about to take this channel to the next level, and here are the 5 ways in which we're going to do that. Number 1, complete reboot of all the lessons. So you may or may not know that from all the prior lessons that we have compiled and all the feedback that I got from you guys, that I went ahead and wrote a book called Get Past Yaman and Speak Jamaican Patois for Real. That book is available in all formats: paperback, hardcover, ebook, and audiobook. So the new lessons going forward will actually augment the book from chapter 1 all the way to the end, and we are actually going to try to expand on all the material that's in there and bring some of the stories to life. We're also going to include a bunch of native speakers so that whatever I teach you going forward, you will actually hear it from people who are actually currently living in Jamaica. So for all you guys that's been following me from the beginning and have watched all the old lessons to the end, stick around till the end of the video and I'll tell you exactly what we'll be doing for you guys and how we'll be moving forward until these lessons catch up to where we are. Number 2, student interviews. So I want to debut here from all over the world, people who have been buying the book, been subscribers for a while, or students that hang out with me, so they can give you what their experience is and what they've been learning here so far and how that has helped them to understand and learn Jamaican Patois. Number 3, connecting with the diaspora. Alright, so as you may or may not know, I myself am a member of the Jamaican diaspora, live in the United States. And even though there are tons of YouTubers out there covering people currently living in Jamaica, I thought it would be fun to see the different experiences of the other Jamaican diaspora living all over the world, to see what it was like when they first got here, what their experiences are. So my new segment, Diasporing with the Diaspora, will be debuting on this channel. Can't wait to have interviews with them, reminiscing on all things Jamaica and hearing from them their feelings of Jamaica growing up to how they feel about it now. Number 4, for the culture. I want to highlight everything that is Jamaican from past, present, and for the future to make sure that we preserve our heritage so that we can hand it down to the generation coming behind us. And for those outside of Jamaica who are curious and want to learn more about us, I just want to do my part in highlighting everything Jamaican, be it food, music, athletics, anything that has to do with Jamaica to preserve the culture, be it past, present, or future, for those coming behind us or those outside of our borders who are curious to learn the rich culture that is Jamaican. As everybody says, Jamaica is the heartbeat of the world, and I want to do my part in helping to preserve it. And finally, 5 are classic videos. Alright, so as a point of reference, I'm going to leave all the old videos in place, even though I cringe when I watch back all the old material. But so far, the feedback I've been getting from everybody that watched it, it's been overwhelmingly positive and it has helped them. So if you had followed me all the way to the end of that series, what we're going to do now going forward is we do have a WhatsApp group that if you want to practice what you have been learning so far, there's a bunch of international people from all over the world that we converge in this group, and be it dialogue or voice notes, or if you just want to sit on the sidelines and observe, we actually have great conversation in there and bounce information off of each other. So if you want to continue learning until the first set of videos catch up to where you are, or if you just want to rewatch the new videos as a refresher, feel free to join our WhatsApp group. Now, we do have some rules in place. So to filter out all the malfeasance and the bad actors, I will leave all the information in the description. You can join us in our conversation as you hone your Jamaican patois skills. So for all you guys, thank you very much for supporting me for over all these years. The new videos will be out shortly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified immediately. You can follow me on social media. All the information will be posted here. And as always, thanks for coming back and take it easy.